Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome on this beautiful day, this awesome day, this amazing day. Today, welcome back to the Moez Show, number 46, with your host Moez Fawaz. And today we're gonna verify and review a course called Brandify. So Brandify, basically, in summary, is a course that will give you tools and ways, tools and steps to brand yourself, and to brand your bonuses. If you're doing review videos, of course. But the steps that to brand yourself, of course, to brand yourself as a influencer, as a review, as a product reviewers, as a product reviewer, as a product launcher, a product creator, and stuff like that. So this course is it tells you, like, it teaches you step by step how to brandify yourself, how to brand yourself, and also how to brand your bonuses that you're gonna supply with the product launches that you do or the reviews that you're creating. Okay, so let's jump into the bonus page. Of course, the most incredible bonus bundle. Just to let you know, just a warning. I just heads up. I didn't. I actually saw the steps. I saw the course and I saw what's included in the course, but unfortunately I didn't have a chance to go inside the course. So I will show you the sales page. I will show you the bonuses, but I will not show you inside the course. It's just time issue, and I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. I just giving you a heads up just to let you know, just in the beginning, just for you not to get confused about the product and all that. But like I said, it's a full course from A to Z, how to brand yourself and how to brand your bonuses. Okay, so let's jump into the screen. Most incredible bonus bundle, just right now. So the Brandify, as I said, most incredible bonus bundle. So if you're interested, of course, you're gonna click on one of those beautiful yellowish oranges button before September 28th, before Saturday, September 28th, to get all the bonuses that I'm supplying with this offer. It's all over the place before Saturday, which is 1 day and 20 hours. Sorry about that. So yeah, you're gonna click on one of those yellow buttons, just if you're interested, of course, and then you're gonna go into the sales page, and then from the sales page, which is this one, you're gonna arrive to the sales page, and then from there you can click on one of those yellow button to arrive to the checkout page. Okay, so let's jump into the bonuses right away before without wasting any time, of course. Okay, just to save some time. Okay, so bonus number one, Brandify. It's a bonus library that I'm giving you. I'm supplying you with a bonus library that it's included hundreds of products to download and offer as bonuses in your promotions. So basically, this is more bonuses to offer if you're creating product reviews or you're creating your product launches. So this library allows you to get bonuses and supply it with the product. Like I said, the product that you're creating or the reviews you're creating. Simple. Okay, so that's bonus number one. Bonus number two is SEO and ranking tracking tactics. So basically, you need SEOs for your courses, the courses that you're gonna be launching to brand yourself, and the review courses that you're gonna launch to also brand yourself as as a marketer, as a reviewer, product reviewer, such as me, such as Jono Armstrong, such as what's it called, Ben. Brandon Mace, stuff like that. So this SEO course will teach you how to take care of the ranking of your product, and how to be on Google, and how to be on YouTube in the same time. YouTube, there is a course that I'm supplying as a bonus in other courses, but this one is just focuses on the SEO and ranking. Okay, it's not YouTube. Get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking like a pro. Learn why keeping regular tracks of your search and ranking is more vitally important than you think. Discover the secret of automating your search rank tracking with the best tools available. Uncover how can you track all keyword ranking without having to check manually all the time. Find out the secret of finding out your true positions in the SERPs, the search engine optimization. for any keyword. Okay, so simple. Bonus number three. Effective content marketing. Learn the same content marketing techniques the pros use to make more money easier. Uncover the secret to drastically improving the results you get from your content marketing effects. Okay, learn the different types of media you should be using in your content marketing for the best results, of course, and find out what old method of content marketing are dead. Of course, there is a lot of content marketing steps or methods that are dead and people are not using anymore. So this course will show you what is dead and what is not, literally speaking, and how new methods can make you more money. Of course, the new method can make more money, and this course will show you exactly how to do it. Discover the truth about blogging and how you can create highly profitable website in a matter of minutes. Okay, simple. Bonus number 4, high profit blog secrets. So basically, more blogs, more profit secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build high profit blogs every time and make real money, of course. Uncover the secrets of skyrocketing your blog income, even if you are not just getting started. Learn why you should sell high in order to maximize your income, plus all the top resources, tips and tricks. Okay, find out the top money making methods used by the top bloggers and how can you follow their footstep, of course, to be a follower. Okay, and finally, discover the truth about blogging and how you can create highly profitable website in a matter of minutes. Okay, so that's it. That's number 2, and that's number 4. And bonus number 5, which is the last bonus, blogging advice for beginners. Of course, the blogging advice. So I'm attaching all the blogging stuff. That's blogging, as you know, is a good way to brand yourself. I have a website, it's not set up yet, which is MoezFawaz.com. So basically, this website is not ready yet. It will be ready soon. And this is how I brand myself. The branding is your name, your marketing, your services, your product. That's how you brand yourself and how you put your name out there. Okay. You remember if you ever see Jono's videos, you will find a flashy name in the back of him, a flashy name, Jono. It's called Jono Armstrong or something. I believe that's what's written. This is a branding method. So basically, he's putting his name out there to be known as the marketer of all time. Okay, and like I said, he's good at what he does, and that's it. So this is it for the bonuses. Again, when you arrive to the purchase page and then you purchase the product, if you're interested, of course, like I said, you're gonna arrive to this, access to that page, you're gonna receive your email, of course, sold to whatever email you sold to, and the price and all that, all the information about it, and then access your purchase through the green button right there. You see it, and access affiliate bonuses, the bonuses that I'm giving you here, all the affiliate bonuses right here. You can click on it. Okay, that's me, the one and only King of Marketing. Okay, so. We're gonna jump into the sales page fast, and then I'll show you the OTOs right here. Okay, so right here, build your brand into a trusted, respected name with this simple, repeatable techniques. Okay, let's get my pen. Okay, email list, no additional cost, no experience needed. Just follow an easy 3-step process using free. Hold on. A little update. Hold on. I'll do it later. Ignore. Okay. So using free online tools, no upfront cost, no years. Okay. Let's get my pen. Of course, my favorite pen of all time. Okay. So no upfront cost, no years of grinding to build a reputation. No difficult to learn software. Have your first offer ready to in 1 day. Work from anywhere. No experience required, of course, or high skill required. Simple to implement, newbie friendly, and risk-free. 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so easy peasy. Okay, internet marketers around the world, you can use this. You can check it out by yourself. The sales page. Okay, we're gonna jump into the bonuses directly to the bonuses that he's giving, because he's giving also more bonuses on top of the product itself. Okay, here we go. Let's make it smaller so I can fit everything in there. There we go. Okay, so There we go. So I'm gonna get my pen. Okay. So bonus number 1: push your YouTube videos to the top of the search engine. So basically, I'm giving you, remember that bonus, I'm giving you the SEO to take care of the ranking in the SEO in the Google and the Bing search engines. He's giving you the YouTube channel, the YouTube videos that will make you rank on YouTube too. Okay, so basically, I told you this was not included in the YouTube method and algorithm, but he's giving you, he's providing you with bonus number 1 as a YouTube videos to help you out with the ranking on YouTube. Okay, so YouTube videos to the top of the search engines, search results, and exclusive over-the-shoulder training with Stevens will show you how to customize and implement crucial changes to your YouTube channel to push your videos to the top of the search engine. Easy peasy, okay? So, number 2, make videos that look like a professional, of course, even more exclusive, step-by-step training. Billy Whitenberg walk you through the process of creating slick, professional looking videos you can use to generate big value. Okay, so that's number 2, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3: complimentary access to our Facebook group. Of course, join our fast-growing online community and to learn tricks and methods to use into that course and into your branding yourself. Okay, that's it. That's all. Let's click this. Let's click that. That's it. So, and the price, as I believe the price is. Okay, so let's go into the price. Yeah, so it's $9.95, less than $10. That's the front end, $9.95. Access to the powerful Brandify training. Brandify is a proven method that will help you build your credibility and compete against the top dogs in the industry, as I explained before. Upsell number 2. There is not a lot of upsells. So upsell number 1 is Brandify done for you. Okay, it's $47 and a downsell of $27. It's a done for you package, done for you like I think a complete training course ready to Brandify user to modify with their own logos, of course, to put the logo, to put your branding in there. Product launches live include 5 training videos, presentation show, slideshow, graphic companion, audio files, and even HTML sales pages. So he's giving you the whole packages of done for you. Okay, so done for you packages for $47. What a steal! You know what can I say? Okay, so upsell number 2, upsell number 2, which is the last upsell. Brandify reseller rights. Reseller rights, as you know, is self-explanatory. It's $97 and a downsell for $67. So you can buy the product and modify it, modify the name, modify anything about it, and use it to sell it for yourself, for your own brand, and all that. So people can resell Brandify for 100% commission. Let us do the work for you. So basically, you sell it, and they take care of the technical support, the customer service, all that, yada yada yada. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. I believe that's it for today. I showed you the sales page. I showed you this. I showed you the bonuses that comes with it, and that's it. Okay, so have yourself a good day. That's it for today. And just a reminder, just make sure that if you're interested, click on the yellow button. Spread everywhere on the screen, on the page. If you're interested, when you click on that, you're gonna arrive to the sales page, and you know what to do after. If you're watching on YouTube, the description is gonna be in the bottom, in the description section, in the description bracket, and also in the first comment if you miss it. If you're coming through my email address, the emails that I'm sending, the email list, the link is gonna be in the emails. Thank you again for being with me here in the Moez Show number 46. Thank you again for your time, and thank you again for following Moez Fawaz. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and blow up that like button, blow it up. Okay, so until then, have yourself a good day, have yourself an awesome day, have yourself an amazing day. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, and be the best version of your life today and every other day. Peace.